Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In this video, we are going to discuss about encapsulation. If you remember, in the previous video, we discussed about polymorphism. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. In this video, we are going to discuss about see the agenda, encapsulation, and private methods and private variables. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you learn something from this video, please support me. Please hit the red subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. In object-oriented programming, we can restrict access to variables and methods. This is called encapsulation, and we achieve this encapsulation by using private methods and private variables. I'll explain with example. Take a class with name person, and inside this class I take a method info and I give self, and inside this my name is comma self dot name and print my age is comma self dot age, and I take another method and I make this method as private method. So def, and to make private method, just give underscore underscore before the name of method. Underscore underscore, and my method name is phone number. Okay, I have to use self for this also. And inside this class, I give my phone number. I'll print my phone number. I'll use some random number. For example, 99999. And I'll call this phone number method, which is private method, from inside this class by creating a init. Yeah, init. Here self comma name comma age, self dot name is equal name and self dot age is equal to age, and here I call the method self dot underscore underscore phone number, and I create object for this class. P1 is equal to person name basha and age 100. That's for one. And with this object, I call this info method info, and I run the code. See here, first it print number because inside in it we call this method, so it print my number, and next it print my name is Basha and my age is 100. This is how to create a private method. With another simple example, I will explain private variable and private method clearly. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. See here, I take a class. My class name is my class. And inside this, I take a variable. For example, var1, a normal variable. I assign a value 10 to it. And I take a private variable. So to make the private variable, first underscore underscore, and name of the variable is equal to, I'll assign some value 20. Next, I'll take a method, def m1 and self colon, inside this print some text, for example code word or channel name. Next I'll take another method which is private method. So private method underscore underscore and m2, here self, and inside this I print welcome to code world. Okay, See this? Here I take two variables. Among the two variables, one variable is private variable and another one is not private public variable. And I'll take two methods. Among the two methods, one method is private method and another method is not private, that is public method. I take like this because to show you the difference. Now I'll create object for this class. So obj1 object1 is equal to my class. Okay, that's it. And I call obj1 dot variable 1 and I take a is equal to and I print a. Okay, and I run this code. See here 10 is printed. Now I'll take variable 2 here, underscore underscore a or 2. Now I run my code. This time we got error, attribute error. My class object has no attribute variable 2 because this variable 2 is a private variable. So we cannot access this from outside the class. I think now you are clear what is the difference between private variable and non-private, that is public variable. Next, from this object, I'll call m1, which is a normal method, public method, and I'll run my code. See here, code world is printed. Now with the same object, I'll call this private method. See here, I run this code, and we got error, attribute error. My class object has no attribute m2 because this is a private method, so it is not possible to access this from outside the class. So we have to access this private method and private variable from inside the class. Now I am going to show you how to do that. Here I'll create this init constructor underscore underscore init and self colon. Now inside this init, I call this. So I remove this too. Okay. And here print self dot underscore underscore bar2 and here self dot underscore underscore m2. Now I have my code. See here, the 20 is a private variable value and welcome to code world is a inside this private method. So these are printed. This is how to work with these private methods and private variables. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.